Right, we're in a little spot in between Fleetwood and Blackpool. Let me get these glasses off. Now then, we're only down the road here, less than a mile, well, half a mile down the road. And there's lots of parking spaces, so that's all right. Okay, so it's paying display, but what a beautiful day. We just don't get these kind of days very often. You know, I'm thrilled to bits. But let's get cracking on this, because from what I've seen of the bag, I started to make the cardboard go a little damp. So I'm going to have to open this carefully. Now, I normally take the plastic bag straight off because I find that the plastic bag does cause a few problems. But in this case, I'm going to keep it on because, as you can see, the chili's oozed out a little bit. It looks nice. The cardboard has got a little soggy and the chili's gone through underneath here. Now, people say with chili and chips, well, this is a favourite, especially in the north of the UK. People love chili and chips. You'll find it in an awful lot of chippies. Let's have a go at it. And they all make their own. They all make it a little different. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's very mild, very mild. Well, hang on. I'm going to have to put a little bit of salt on that, because it is very mild. Look at this weather. It's a bit chilly, but it is a beautiful day. That's better. But there's plenty of mince going on in here. Plenty of stuff going in it, and the chips are nice too. Chips are really nice. I like it a bit drier. Like that. It's not dry, but drier. I don't like to be able to tip juice out. What else have we got? We've got the large fish. The batter looks nice and light. Don't forget, you know, we're at a seaside place here. So you usually get things on a tray. You usually get, quite often, you get quite much smaller portions. I'm going to go straight with the salt on that, and I'm going to cut this in half. How does it look first? Looks pretty good. Okay, not the easiest thing to pick up there. So it might be a knife and fork job, which I very rarely do with fish and chips. But you know what? That's delicious. Yeah, it's a nice piece of cod. Fork out. Like I say, I don't normally do that. But, you know what? That's really nice. Let's see if we can turn it over at the heavier end, so we can see that fish. Yeah, okay. What about the chips? Chips are really nice too. Yep, that's good seaside fish and chips. Really is. Let's try the curry. I'm going to dip a chip in this curry. Now, they had two curries, sweet or spicy. So I chose the spicy. I don't mind sweet, but, you know, I prefer spicy. And that's still quite sweet. And it has got a little bit of a kick, but nothing too spicy. Yeah, that's really nice. What about the peas? It's gorgeous. Looks like a windmill over that side there. Hardly anybody down here on the beach. Like I say, it is a bit cooler. How about the colour of them? Oh, nice thickness. Look at that. That's the way I like it. They're a good mushy pea. Try a chip or two in there. That was a large fish. You know, it could have gone a little larger. Portion of chips. Again, could have gone a little larger. So you know how it goes. It's back to the computer. I'll have a look at some reviews. Usually a low one, somewhere in the middle, a high one, and then mine. Let's have a look at some reviews. 1 star. Lady serving was rude. Response from the owner. Oh, sorry to hear this, Bethany. We're used to receiving positive feedback towards our service from the team. Perhaps on this occasion, we didn't get it right. 3 star.
Ultimately, the food was nice. Pretty standard chippy food and portions were decent. It was very busy and staff seemed stressed, which came across in how some spoke to customers. The takeaway area is extremely cramped and the queue goes out the door. Prices were fair for the most part, and I think I'd return again. Hopefully at a quieter time though. Response from the owner. Hi Dean, thanks for your review and feedback. We have been well established since 1976 and staying by our quality offering being both a locals and tourist chippy. We buy fresh fish daily and local potatoes all cooked to order. We're used to receiving positive feedback usually. Sorry if you feel service wasn't up to scratch. We try to serve as quickly as possible. Give us another try. 5-star. Best fish and chips and the only place where I eat all the chips. They are so good. Staff friendly and humorous. A real feel-good atmosphere. Mine, 4-star. Kay's Fish and Chips is ideally located near the promenade. Perfect spot for a post-meal stroll. The establishment is spacious, with a separate takeaway section divided by a railing from the dining area. The dining area was clean and roomy, and the toilets were well maintained. The staff were friendly and polite throughout my visit. Upon entering the takeaway section, there is a notice on a pillar advising customers to order specific items as soon as they enter. I followed this advice, but I was asked if I wanted anything else while my order was being prepared. I requested chili and chips, but was informed that I should have ordered them upon entering. When I mentioned that the notice didn't list chili and chips, the staff member explained that there were a lot of things not on the notice. We had a little laugh about the mix-up, but it's worth noting to order everything you need right away as soon as you join the queue, or before, just to be sure. The large cod I ordered was fresh and delicious, wrapped in a light, crispy batter. The chips were exactly what you'd hope for at the Seaside, thick and flavourful. The chili and chips were nice, but the packaging wasn't ideal, which is understandable given the shift away from plastic to cardboard nationwide. The battered sausage and chicken nuggets were spot on. The peas were perfect, and the curry sauce was enjoyable. Cooking in, palm oil. Hygiene rating 5, cash or card. Fish reviewed, large cod. Yeah, it was a great day out. Really enjoyed it. Some nice food, nice scenery, nice people. See you on the next one. If you like this video, subscribe, share it, like it, hit the notification bell, and if you have any recommendations in your area, put them in the comments. Thank you.